As only found in Arlington, Texas, it is another gorgeous afternoon. The 4 truck vans from Trinity Christian Church fleet are at a local park. The smoky aroma of Texas barbecue fills the air from one of the trucks as the sound of lively praise music comes from the sound system contained in one of the other trucks, and a group of musicians get ready to perform. The other 2 in the fleet, actually passenger vans, one of which was purchased last month, arrive at the park. The parking lot is filling as a variety of people from all walks of life arrive in their own vehicles, as they do the last Saturday of each month. The festival-like event continues until around 9 p.m. Then the cleanup crew heads back to Trinity's Community Connection Center to clean up the food truck and return food and supplies to the Connection Center's commercial-grade kitchen. Soon, another crew is busy setting up the main room in the center for tomorrow morning's worship celebration. When the community gathers for worship on Sunday morning, the aroma of freshly baked breads and pastries fills the air. Anyone who comes for worship is met with a friendly greeting, children's programming, and available childcare, and encouraged to gather around tables where they enjoy conversation, eat some delicious food, and hear music that begins to be played and sung by a small ensemble of musicians. Soon the ensemble leads everyone in singing variety of songs, from familiar hymns to praise music and folk music. Visual images, videos, and special music continue during the celebration. After biblical storytellers tell the morning scripture and the pastor gives a message, everyone is involved in a time of responses and discussions around tables. The high point of the worship celebration comes when the community shares communion and is encouraged to share the love and acceptance they experience there in the community where they live. On Sunday afternoon, another group of people will come to the Community Connection Center's coffee house to enjoy listening to jazz music, while some also gather around a table for a coffee house theology conversation. They know from experience that the conversation will involve a wide range of attitudes and beliefs, and that everyone's belief will be respected. Several of the people in the coffee house are parents of the children that attend the local elementary school, with which Trinity Christian Church has become the adoptive school partner. When Trinity Christian Church moved into the building that became the Community Connection Center about 4.5 years ago, they realized that the many strengths and special talents that the people of Trinity Christian Church have to offer involve not only its retired teachers, but also counselors, financial planners, and computer techies. So Trinity decided that it wanted to be more than just a traditional adopt a school partner, and became determined to plan its ministries to the community around the needs of the school's children and their families. After finding the school that was best matched for the church's resources, Trinity found a building near that school that not only had a large commercial-grade kitchen, but also 2 large multi-purpose areas and a few offices. Every day sees people using the free Wi-Fi connections while drinking coffee and listening to Christian music over the speakers. People gather during the week for interview skills classes, resume building, and job search classes, a computer training class, a caregiver support group, and job networking sessions. Each Wednesday evening, while programs for children and youth are going on, there is also a gathering at which a guest speaks to the interests and topics of the day, ranging in subjects from public school education issues to the death penalty. One of the regular attendees last Wednesday said, "My life hasn't been the same since I found this church, where I'm accepted for who I am and don't have to fit a certain mold. When I didn't know where to turn after losing my job and having to provide care for both my children and my aging parents, Trinity was there." They helped me get connected with resources I needed, and they loved me all the way through the process, just as God does. Trinity's Community Connection Center also utilizes its commercial-grade kitchen for a variety of community ministries, including a job training program. This kitchen is used not only for cooking food for Trinity's food trucks, but also for several other food truck vendors that lease the use of it and provide another source of income to support the church's ministries. Food that is served at the coffee house is also prepared there, from gourmet soups, sandwiches, and a great variety of salads. Most of the vegetables were produced in the community garden out back. Well, it's close to midnight this Saturday night, and the worship center is ready for morning. The kitchen is cleaned, and it's time to turn the lights out and thank God for another good night. Trinity Christian Church found its ministry, embracing on a daily basis its core values of helping people adapt to life's constant changes, accepting all people unconditionally, and respecting each person's belief and perspective. Once it set its course toward its ministry of connecting with people in its community and kept its core values at heart, Trinity has grown, not only in number, but also in spirit.